Hi, my name is Asha Marinella. I'm a performing artist. I'm actually mostly a dancer, but ever since the Simula Tokas concert, I've been feeling very inspired to really push myself and grow as a singer and songwriter, which is why I'm really interested to perform at the Bunga ng Mga Hiraya event to showcase my growth as a performing artist. And I want to dedicate this song to Justin for being one of the members who inspire me in terms of songwriting. I feel like his songwriting is the closest to my style of songs that I've written so far, and it inspires me to be brave to share my song. So my song is entitled Lihim. Kung SB merong liham, meron tayong lihim. And it's a song I wrote during the pandemic as an ode to people who have secret dreams inside their hearts and they want to share with the world but have been afraid to do so. So that I hope you like the song and can consider it for your event. Pero sa puso mo ay may bulong pala. Baka ito ay malaking maling akala. Sa gitna nito ay tunay nga bang iyong saya? O dahil lang ba sabi nila totoong damdamin ay intindihin? Huwag kulungin ito at dagdagan mo pa ang sinasabihan mo ng mga nais mo sa mundo na ito, para malaman ang pangarap mo. Tama na ang pagtago, huwag manlihim lang ito. Sa buong mundo, ang pangarap mo ang iyong Salamat!